Lennar has a very exciting new townhome community that we can't wait to hear about. It's 5200 at Town Center in Peachtree Corners. Danny is here with me now, and he's a new home consultant for that property. And Danny, because it's so brand new and it's just being developed, we're actually going to hear about it from another one of Lennar's beautiful model homes today. So why don't you tell us what 5200 at Town Center is all about?
5200 at Town Center is located in Peachtree Corners New Town Center, which is directly across the street from the Forum Shops and off of Peachtree Parkway. It's going to be centrally located on all the pedestrian trails that Peachtree Corners is currently building, and it's right next door to the new Town Green 3.5 acre park located in the town center. It offers an amphitheater, 22-foot wide LED television for the screen on the green and all the park events.
Well, it sounds like the lifestyle you'll provide there will be amazing and lots of fun. So now let's talk about the townhomes. What are you building? How many? Let's hear all about it.
5200 Town Center is going to offer 70 luxury 3-story all brick townhomes with masters on the top floor, along with all the beautiful options and design features that Lennar offers, such as hardwood floors, granite countertops, a beautiful array of cabinetry, and all the features our customers are looking for. 5200 at Town Center is going to offer 2 different floor plans to Dryden and the Bayfield. The square footage is going to range anywhere from about 2,300 to about 2,600, starting in the 460,000s on up to the mid-500s.
So Danny, since it's brand new and there really isn't anything built there, you're selling this from another community, right?
Yes, we're currently selling 5200 at Town Center from our Stonington community located just 4 blocks north of 5200 at Town Center. And for more information or to schedule an appointment for 5200 at Town Center, 404-931-7492, or visit us online at lennar.com/Atlanta.
Terrific. So make sure that you make that call. Meet Danny out at the site, and you can find out more about this very exciting and beautiful townhome community by Lennar, 5200 at Town Center.